When is the right time to begin a complex industrial transformation?
Well, John, I would say if you speak with industry leaders, it's never a good time because they can be disruptive. They are often linked to investments. They are often linked to serious commitment of resources and time, even for the leaders themselves. They need to understand what's going on, so they need to spend time with certain groups of people. So I think they would say it's not a good time. But at the same time, because it's never a good time, as soon as you recognized something as a strategic initiative, and as long as the decision is made, this is a strategic initiative and this will be critical for success for our long-term goal, then you need to go for it. Define the right strategy and approach for an initiative, do the right resourcing and the right selection of partners, and then go for it. Pain points, typically, like with our own body, pain points just don't go away. They tend to become worse over time, and we are not isolated living alone in the world. We have competitors. They are knocking on the door of our customers every day, and they want our business. Yeah. So time is of essence. It should not be delayed because it gets worse over time.